Buckle up, because these must-have car gadgets are about to change the way you drive forever. From game-changing safety tech to powerful tools that keep you prepared, these innovations take your ride to a whole new level. Whether you're hitting the highway, conquering the trails, or just upgrading your daily drive, these gadgets are absolute essentials. When you're stuck in mud, sand, or snow, a regular tow rope just won't cut it. You need All-Top's Kinetic recovery rope, the powerhouse of vehicle recovery. This isn't your average static strap. It's designed with high-stretch nylon that absorbs kinetic energy and unleashes it like a slingshot to pull your vehicle out with unmatched force. The braided nylon core is built to withstand the most brutal recovery situations, while the abrasion-resistant outer layer makes sure it won't snap under pressure. Whether you're off-roading in the wilderness or helping a buddy out of a ditch, this rope turns a rescue mission into a flawless, high-performance operation. Let's be real, cars get filthy fast, and those crumbs, dust, and pet hair seem to multiply overnight. Enter the MBNGF Car Vacuum Portable Cordless, the high-powered cleaning beast that takes car hygiene to a whole new level. With a turbocharged motor and cyclone suction technology, this vacuum sucks up every last speck of dirt with ridiculous efficiency. No cords, no hassle, just raw power in your hands. The ultra-lightweight design makes it effortless to maneuver, and with multiple nozzles included, even those impossible-to-reach spots under the seats or between cup holders won't stand a chance. But here's the real kicker. This thing doesn't lose power. While most handheld vacuums start weak and get weaker, the MBNGF Car Vacuum keeps that full-throttle suction going until the job is done and dusted. Literally. Plus, the washable HEPA filter ensures that dust and allergens stay trapped inside, leaving your car fresher than ever. Reaching the roof of your car shouldn't feel like climbing Mount Everest, and with the TUMUKIW car roof rack ladder, it never will again. This ultra-strong foldable step hooks onto your car door latch and instantly gives you a sturdy, elevated boost to access your roof rack, luggage, or kayak with total ease. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it supports a staggering amount of weight while staying incredibly lightweight and compact enough to stash in your glove box. Whether you're strapping down a cargo box, tying up a kayak, or brushing off snow, this ladder makes rooftop access feel effortless. No more awkward stretching, tiptoeing, or using unstable objects to reach your gear. Just unfold, hook, step up, and you're good to go. The anti-slip surface ensures zero slipping, and its universal fit means it works on almost any vehicle. If you use a roof rack, this is a total game changer. Ditch the outdated, inaccurate dashboard readings. The X95 GPS speedometer is here to give you real-time precision speed tracking straight from satellite data. This sleek, high-tech gadget mounts effortlessly on your dashboard and displays your exact speed, altitude, and trip data in an ultra-crisp digital display. Unlike your built-in speedometer, which can be off by a few mph, this GPS-driven device ensures you're always getting pinpoint accuracy no matter where you're driving. And the best part? No complicated installs. Just plug it in, turn it on, and let it work its magic. Whether you're cruising on the highway, driving in a foreign country, or even just making sure you're not accidentally creeping past the speed limit, this gadget keeps you informed at a glance. Plus, the heads-up display mode keeps you from constantly looking down, making your driving experience safer and smoother than ever. For cycling enthusiasts, transporting your bike safely is non-negotiable. And the pro-user DIAMANT bike carrier ENT is the ultimate way to haul your two-wheelers without a hitch, literally. Built with rock-solid construction, this premium carrier mounts onto your tow hitch and securely holds up to 2 bikes, whether they're mountain monsters or sleek road racers. The easy tilt function lets you access your trunk without unloading. And the ultra-stable clamps ensure your bikes stay locked in tight, no matter how rough the road gets. Long road trips? Off-road adventures? Weekend getaways? No problem. This bike carrier keeps your ride safe, stable, and scratch-free, thanks to its anti-wobble design and protective padding. Best of all, it folds up compactly when not in use, making storage a breeze. If you love biking and road trips, this is hands down the best way to transport your gear. No fuss, no stress, just smooth sailing all the way. When it comes to off-roading, safety isn't an option, it's a necessity. And the SIMPSON D3 off-road belts are the ultimate seatbelt upgrade for extreme terrains. These are not your standard everyday seatbelts. The D3 series is engineered with a 5-point racing harness design, built to keep you locked in place no matter how wild the ride gets. Whether you're tearing through rocky trails, conquering dunes, or climbing impossible inclines, these belts ensure maximum security while maintaining supreme comfort with padded shoulder straps and quick-release buckles. Now, picture this. You're ripping through rugged back roads, your vehicle bouncing over obstacles like a beast. With standard seatbelts, you'd be sliding around, struggling to stay steady. But with the SIMPSON D3 off-road belts, you're planted like a pro rally driver. The ultra-durable construction means they can take beating after beating without compromising safety, and the ergonomic fit makes long rides shockingly comfortable. If you're serious about off-roading, these belts are not just a smart upgrade, they're a lifesaver. QROV car wireless mount. Say goodbye to the frustration of fumbling with phone mounts. The QROV car wireless mount is here to revolutionize the way you use your phone while driving. This sleek, futuristic mount combines automatic clamping technology with fast wireless charging. So the moment you place your phone near it, the motorized arms lock it securely in place. No more struggling with clips, knobs, or cheap mounts that fall off mid-drive. Just drop your phone in, and it starts charging instantly. But the real game changer? 360-degree rotation. Whether you need navigation in portrait mode or a quick hands-free call in landscape, this mount lets you adjust seamlessly. Plus, with its ultra-stable grip and anti-vibration technology, your phone stays locked in no matter how bumpy the road gets. Stop messing with unreliable mounts that slip and slide. Upgrade to the QROV car wireless mount and experience next-level convenience. Flat tires and low pressure are a driver's worst nightmare. But with the FANTTIK X9 Pro TRAGBARER REIFENFÜLLER, you'll never be stranded again. This high-powered, ultra-compact air compressor is your go-anywhere solution to keep your tires in peak condition. Featuring a digital smart screen, this device automatically detects your tire pressure and inflates to the perfect PSI with incredible precision. Whether you're pumping up a car, motorcycle, or even a bicycle, X9 Pro does it fast and flawlessly. No manual guesswork needed. And here's the best part. It's completely cordless. Powered by a massive rechargeable battery, you can inflate tires anywhere, anytime, without the hassle of finding a power outlet. A built-in LED light makes nighttime tire emergencies a breeze, while the compact design ensures it fits easily in your glove box or trunk. With the FANTTIK X9 Pro, you're always prepared for the unexpected. This isn't just a tire inflator, it's a must-have survival tool for every driver. These gadgets aren't just cool, they're absolute game changers. From high-performance safety gear to cutting-edge convenience, each of these car gadgets is designed to make driving smoother, safer, and smarter. If you love innovation, adventure, and tech-driven upgrades, these must-haves belong in your ride right now. For every cycling enthusiast who loves hitting the road with their bike, the Ride 88 bike rack is an absolute must-have. Forget those flimsy, frustrating racks that wobble and scratch your bike. This beast is engineered for rock-solid stability and effortless convenience. Designed with heavy-duty steel and an advanced locking mechanism, it secures your bike like a vault, no matter how rough the journey gets. Whether you're taking your mountain bike on a rugged trail adventure or your road bike for a long-distance ride, this rack ensures zero movement, zero damage, and total security. And here's the real game changer: quick and easy loading. No more struggling with complex mounting systems or spending precious minutes wrestling your bike onto the rack. With its ergonomic, user-friendly design, this rack lets you load up and hit the road in seconds. Plus, the tilt-away feature means you can still access your trunk without removing the rack. Road trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes, wherever you go, the Ride 88 bike rack has got your back. Strong, secure, unstoppable. You know that hauling it can be a challenge. Until now, the Marlon SXS Riser is the ultimate loading solution for serious off-roaders, giving you next-level truck bed efficiency while keeping your UTV locked in place like a tank. This riser system allows you to load your SXS directly onto your truck while still leaving space for gear, fuel, or tools underneath. No more awkward trailer setups, just load, secure, and hit the trails. But here's where it gets even better: unmatched durability and stability. The Marlon SXS Riser is built with high-strength aluminum, meaning it's tough as nails, but lightweight enough to keep your payload in check. Whether you're tackling the dunes, hitting the mountains, or heading deep into the backcountry, this riser ensures that your UTV stays exactly where it should be. When it comes to safety and smart driving, the Man Front Detection and EBA Plus system is like having an intelligent co-pilot that never blinks. This next-gen technology is designed to detect potential collisions before they happen and actively intervene to reduce impact or avoid accidents altogether. Whether you're driving through unpredictable traffic, dealing with reckless drivers, or navigating busy city streets, this system keeps you one step ahead. Here's how it works. Radar sensors and AI-powered algorithms continuously monitor the road ahead, detecting vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles in real time. The moment it senses a potential collision, EBA Plus Emergency Brake Assist kicks in, applying precise braking force faster than human reaction time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest car gadgets. Stay tuned for more epic gear reviews. See you in the next one.